Here a problem. On January 1, 2020, an entity leased a machinery for 4 years, which is the same as the useful life of the machinery at annual rental or fixed payment, 100,000 pesos payable at the end of each year. The lease provide for a transfer of ownership of the underlying asset to the lease at the end of the lease term. So, fixed payment na to is 100,000 per year. The implicit rate 12%, the lease term 4 years. So atong gamito na ni present value equals 1,000 pesos times the present value of an ordinary annuity of 1 for 4 years at 12%. So 1,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos times 3.373 equals 300 303,730. So mao ni ang right use of asset. So atong i-journal siya, right use of asset 300 303,730. Nya credit na to si lease liability 303,730.
Depreciation of right of use asset. If the lease transfers ownership of the underlying asset to the lessee at the end of lease term, the depreciation of the right of use asset is based on the useful life of the underlying asset. So, talking about the depreciation of right of use asset, we will going to calculate or compute the annual depreciation. So debit depreciation expense, which is 303,730 pesos divided by 4 years, which results to 75,932, and credit to accumulated depreciation of 75,932. Let's go on to
Accounting fixed payment. So we have here the present value of 303,730. So it times na to na siya 12% equals to 36,448. Mo na siya ang atong interest. Whatever the difference between the payment and the interest will be your amortization of your liability. So interest si 36,448 i-minus na siya sa I mean 100,000 i-less nimo sa 100,000 i-less nimo sa 36,448 mo na siya ang imong principal nga 63,552. So sa present value 303,730 i-less nimo sa principal 63,552 mo na si present value nga 240,178. Sa nag-journal entries na to, si interest expense 36,448 debit. Debit po nimo si lease liability nga 63,552. I-cash nimo si 100,000. I-credit nimo si cash 100,000. Sa journal entries sa 2021, si i-debit nimo si interest expense nga 28,821. Debit po nimo si lease liability 71,179. Cash credit gyapon si cash nga 100. Now, unguaranteed residual value. Easy Company leased a warehouse on January 1, 2020 with the following information. Tanawan niyo sa 352 page 352. Mao ni ang computation. So, lease liability 600,000 times 4.63 is equal to 2,616,000. Susunod, payment to lessor to obtain a long-term lease 224,000. Present value of restoration cost 634,920 times nimo sa 0.63 is equal to 400,000. So the total cost of right use asset is 3,240,000. The present value of the residual value is not included in the lease liability because it is unguaranteed. Entries for 2020. To record the acquisition of a warehouse under the finance lease. So, debit na to si right use of asset nga 3,240,000 nga credit the lease liability 2,616,000 credit cash 224,000 credit estimated liability for restoration 400,000 to record the payment of executory costs. Executory costs debit executory cost 50,000 nga credit cash 50,000 to record the to to record the first rental payment on December 31, 2020. So credit debit na to sa interest expense nga tong 10% times 2,616,000 amounted to 261,600. Si lease liability nga 338,400 nga i-credit na to si cash nga 600,000. To record the depreciation for 2020 i-debit na to si depreciation nga katong 3,240,000 divide 6. So na siya amounted 540,000 nga i-credit na to si accumulated depreciation nga 540,000. So the depreciation is based on the lease term of 6 years, which is shorter than the useful life of 8 years because there is neither a transfer or the title nor a purchase.